Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Laura and this is Jenny. We're two of Vestal's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are taking the traditional twice-baked potato recipe and turning it into one delicious casserole.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a loaded mashed potato casserole.
So good, so much food, but perfect for the holidays.
Yes.
So what we've done so far, we have some peeled and diced potatoes, just baking potatoes. We've already boiled them and drained them. So our potatoes are nice and hot in this bowl, and the next step is to mash them up.
Yep. And you can see this looks like a lot of potatoes, and it is, but it's perfect for all of your holiday gatherings when you really need to feed a crowd.
Yes.
And if you have leftovers, we promise you won't be upset because these are delicious.
Oh my gosh, yes. And they're easy to heat up, to reheat. But we don't think that you'll really have much because everybody's going to love this.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, as you continue mashing, I'm going to start getting some of the other ingredients in here. So we have some plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And this is a nice alternative to sour cream. It's a little lighter.
Yeah. Oops. It still gives it that good, nice, creamy, tangy flavor.
Yeah. And then a half cup of butter.
It's been softened.
And some reduced fat cream cheese. So again, just a little bit lighter. There we go.
Cut this up here. And then we just mash.
Mash, mash,
and
mash.
With the milk.
A little bit of low-fat milk, and hopefully that will make the mashing a little easier.
Yeah, and then a little bit of liquid.
And we talk a lot about getting the family into the kitchen to help you during the holidays. This is a perfect way to get the kids involved. There's really nothing difficult about it. So,
and a good way, too, you can have everybody trade off mashing because you do get kind of an arm workout mashing all these potatoes, but well worth it in the end.
Let me scoop it down for you.
All right, this looks pretty good now. Pretty mashed up, all our ingredients in here, so we can add in our next ingredients.
Okay, so we've got some cooked bacon. And get about half of it in here. So we'll mix half of it in and then save half for the topping.
Yes, so good. Bacon really makes this
Stole it
recipe.
from you. And then about half of this cheese too. We're using a combination of shredded cheddar and shredded Parmesan.
And this just gives it a little bit different cheesy type flavor, but feel free to customize those cheeses as well.
Yeah, so delicious. And then a little bit of
spices in.
Black pepper and garlic salt.
Perfect. And then we just mix this up here. And we'll go right into our pan next.
Yes, so we just have a 9x13 pan that we've lightly coated with some cooking spray because we don't want the potatoes to stick to it.
All right, so I'm going to make sure it's not a mess. Give this to you. And I'm going to just, you got it, it's heavy.
Potatoes are sticky, but it's all about the teamwork.
Yes, exactly. All right, we get all this in here. That's good.
Awesome.
So I'm just going to spread this out in our pan here as even as possible.
Oh, it looks so good.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Cheese, bacon, potatoes. What more can you ask for?
Exactly. Definitely a crowd pleaser. Everybody's going to love this one. All right.
All right, so let's get the rest of our toppings on. Do you want to work on the cheese and I'll do the rest of the bacon?
So it's just bacon and cheese that go on top. Just a little bit more for garnish.
Yep.
Mm-mm-mm.
Super easy. And
everybody loves potatoes too at the holidays.
Right. And the best part about this is it can be made ahead of time.
Yes, and you can reheat it, which is super helpful. All right, I'm putting this in the oven.
All right, so that's going to bake at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we actually have one that is already done. And the last step is to just garnish it. So really simple.
This looks so good. That close here.
It smells good. The cheese is all melted.
Yum.
All right. Get some green onions on here.
So you could serve this, obviously, just as it is, but it would be really good, too, with hot sauce or with ketchup, if you're looking for a little sauciness.
Yeah, whatever your family likes.
All right. Oh, that looks so pretty, too.
Get some bowls. Just dig in. Oh, you can hear like that crust on top.
Yes, I love that. Go.
Thank you.
It looks so creamy, too.
It does. And some spoons.
All right, let's give this a try. I'm gonna get some bacon on here. Oh my gosh, I love this.
It's so good.
Well, we hope this dish makes its way onto your holiday menu.
And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit festfoods.com/seasons.